Questions. Do I pay half of any childcare costs my ex incurs, or just work-related childcare costs incurred? Does occupational training include a bachelor's degree? Here are the answers. You and your ex are required to share equally the costs of work-related childcare and occupational training-related childcare either of you incur, but with rare exception, so rare it's not even worth mentioning, neither of you has to pay for half of any childcare that the other incurs if the childcare is not work-related and occupational training-related. The sections of the Utah Code that apply here are sections 78B 12.214 and 78B 12.215. 78B 12.215 provides that childcare costs related to the career or occupational training of the custodial parent may need to be awarded on a case-by-case basis. So what does occupational training mean? Utah tends to define the term by what it does not mean. See the definition of the Utah Court of Appeals in the case of Mancil v. Smith, Volume 18 of the Pacific Reporter 3rd, pages 509 and 511. Career or occupational training means training for basic job skills. Basic job skills are training envisioned by the statute as training which can aid a person in achieving an income beyond the minimum wage job, which can be had with no training at all. Of course, a bachelor's degree provides employment opportunities far beyond what is needed as the basis or starting point to rise above a minimum wage job. Thus, a four-year college education is not the training to establish basic job skills that is contemplated by the statute, which training would ordinarily be of a much shorter duration. In the 1994 decision of the Utah Court of Appeals in the case of Hill v. Hill, in Volume 869 of the Pacific Second Reporter, pages 963 and 965, the Court of Appeals held that a parent in that case who already had a bachelor's degree could be imputed income to him even though he was unemployed at the time and engaged in new career or occupational training because that parent already possessed the education and training necessary to earn more than minimum wage. A parent is not in need of basic job skills training to enable that parent to earn an income beyond a job which can be had with no training at all.